karena banyak yang request, jadi akan langsung gue buatin aja. Halo Gobitachi, Ferry di sini, dan kali ini gue bakalan ngetes lancar nggak sih main Wuthering Waves di Infinix Note 50 Pro yang 4G, belum yang 5G, karena yang 5G nggak tahu, belum tahu kapan munculnya. Without further ado, let's put it up. Oke, jadi gue kinda nggak expect banyak yang penasaran sama performanya Infinix Note 50 Pro main Wuthering Waves, karena waktu tes Genshin-nya aja performanya cukup oke. Dan ya sure, bakalan jadi pertanyaan juga sih, Wuthering Waves lancar atau enggak di Infinix Note 50 Pro ini. Nah, karena gue juga kebetulan main sih Wuthering Waves, cuman to note ya, Wuthering Waves gue nggak gitu jauh, karakternya nggak terlalu ke-build. So please bear with me dengan Wuthering Waves account gue yang agak-agak tuh apa ya. Dan ya akan kita cobain aja main Wuthering Waves di Infinix Note 50 Pro. Mungkin at this time kalian udah tahu ya speknya Infinix Note 50 Pro seperti apa dan segala macam. Tapi ini akan jadi quick recap aja. Jadi ini adalah Infinix Note 50 Pro yang 4G. Dia pakai Helio G100 Ultimate dan belum ada 5G-nya ya di Indonesia, karena 5G harusnya itu ada teleskopik kameranya, bener sih teleskopiknya, dan probably punya performa kamera yang lebih bagus lagi. But si Infinix Note 50 Pro aja menurut gue ini udah cakep banget. Dia desainnya tuh benar. Nih, lighting yang di atas ngedip-ngedip. Yang secara desain tuh ya ini agak reminiscent sama Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Jadi kalau kalian mencari S25 Ultra tapi budgetnya nggak cukup, ini jawabannya. Cuma 10%-nya kok harganya. 10% dari 25 juta jadi 2,5 juta, 3 jutaan lah gitu sebenarnya untuk si Note 50 Pro ya. Dia desainnya tuh bagus, dia dari aluminium alloy, kiri kanannya katanya cukup durable juga. I'm not sure, gua nggak akan lakukan perbandingan yang tidak perlu karena ini modal duit sendiri. Karena modal duit sendiri ya, kalau misalnya rusak atau apa akan jadi PR. Oke, kita ke speknya lagi, kita akan ke recap speknya. Ini sekarang Infinix Note 50 Pro-nya ada di XOS 15, dia Android 14 kayaknya sih. Oh, Android 15 ding, sorry. Salah, udah Android 15. Helio G100 Ultimate, RAM-nya 8GB, kameranya 50 megapiksel. Layarnya Full HD+, hebat juga ya Full HD+. Storage-nya sayangnya cuma 256 aja. Jadi kalau misalnya kalian gamer oriented banget, bakalan agak sedih mengingat ya size game sekarang tuh agak ini sebenarnya ada update, tapi gue belum update, nanti aja gue update. Harusnya secara performance gak gitu jauh berbeda karena ini hanya security patch saja. Oke, untuk si WUWA-nya sendiri dia di version 2.2, jadi udah ada regen baru, Risheta, gue lupa nama regen barunya karena gak gitu ngikutin WUWA sih. Jadi ya again, please bear with me. Untuk total storage sendiri dia lebih ringan daripada Genshin Impact, dia 21GB, sedangkan Genshin itu terakhir sudah sampai 38 gigaan plus. Jadi itu bakalan to note juga 256GB ini kalau buat main WUWA doang itu more than enough sih. WUWA doang ya, dia storage-nya segini nih. App size-nya lebih gede dari Genshin, dia 2GB. Tapi user datanya cuma 20 dan totalnya cuma 21GB. Ini kayaknya gua akan matikan lampu LED yang di belakang dulu karena for some reason dia ngedip mulu. There we go. Agak-agak bahaya kalau menurut gue ya, kayak agak-agak gimana gitu, takutnya ntar bikin flicker dan segala macam. Oke, lanjut ke WUWA-nya. Tadi itu WUWA-nya. Dan kita akan lihat skor Antutu benchmark-nya. Untuk secara Antutu benchmark, secara kelasnya sih ini lumayan banget ya. Dia di 400-an, 429.338 to be exact. Dengan jabaran, kenapa charging test-nya juga ke nyala? Ghost touch kah? Nah, ini jabaran speknya. Oke, for some reason ada glitch or something. I'm not sure what's what. Oh well. Ya, pokoknya gitulah. Ini Antutu skornya. Dan speknya seperti yang gue bilang, Note 50 Pro, X6855, Helio G100 Ultimate, Mali G57, Full HD+, kamera belakang 50 megapiksel dan 8 megapiksel, LPDDR4X, dan juga UFS 2.x, probably 2.1 atau enggak 2.2. Jadi overall spek segala macamnya sih oke banget ya untuk kelasannya. Dan Infinix Note 50 Pro ini di waktu tes Genshin-nya sih cukup oke untuk mentok kanannya. But how will it fare ketika kita main Wuthering Waves? Nah, itu akan jadi pertanyaan yang menarik dan akan langsung saja kita cobain main ke Wuthering Waves-nya sambil kalian bisa lihat nanti FPS-nya. Somewhere di atas sini harusnya gue editnya, dan itu nanti bakalan jadi real time performance juga dengan si smartphone-nya. Oke, langsung aja kita nyalain dulu OBS dan PerfDock-nya. Oke, start. Kok langsung sini ngeheng. Oke, kita clear dulu buahnya. Ternyata tadi ke play ada ini, Wuthering Waves application has been closed on the mobile device. Oke, ngebug dikit, nggak apa-apa. Wuthering Waves connect, Wuthering Waves. Oke, start. Ya, udah nyala. Somewhere di atas sini juga kalian bisa lihat ada FPS counternya juga. Hopefully tidak jadi masalah. Cepet banget tadi. FPS-nya kenapa kebaca 0 ya? Something's wrong. FPS-nya kebaca 0. Let me restart. Oh, PerfDock-nya I guess. Wuthering Waves. Oke, mendingan. Oke, udah jalan FPS-nya at least proper this time. Ini saya lagi di tengah quest, ya, lagi di tengah quest gini. Gue not sure apakah bisa fast travel. Oh bisa, oke. Kita bisa fast travel ke sini. Nggak bisa dengan trial karakter. Can I not quit this? Oke lah, jadi kita jalanin aja story-nya sambil gue kasih lihat dulu settingannya. Jadi ini settingan terakhir sebenarnya gue sempet adjust, dan dia ada di resolution low tapi high FPS. Jadi low 60 FPS, pas lah ya dengan kebutuhan tes pertama. Low 60 FPS-nya itu tidak meresult ke 60 FPS sayangnya. Jadi nggak outputnya nggak sampai 60 FPS, hanya 30-an sih. But again, kalau misalkan kita mau intip mungkin nanti baru bisa kelihatan pas sudah bisa balik ke bisa balik ke overworld-nya. Ini masih ngerjain quest, ternyata terakhir gue lupa lagi ngerjain quest. Oh, udah. Brightness-nya. Ya untuk 30-nya sih memang agak nggak smooth ya. 60 FPS-nya nih bahkan kita cuma dapat sekitaran range itu for some reason. Aduh. Wah, ultinya nge-lag ya. Sedikit lebih lagi sih daripada Genshin, I have to say. But then again emang sebenarnya performance-nya WoW tuh a little bit worse than Genshin. What? Find a way. Nah ini kadang yang gue nggak gitu suka dari WoW tuh adalah mereka nggak actually state what's to do what gitu loh. Center, it's loading something. What to do with this? Kayak dia tuh nggak actually guide on how to do stuff gitu loh. Nggak ada pointing out what's what. Makanya tuh puzzles-nya dia lebih annoying lagi daripada Genshin menurut gue. But starts with that rumbling. Oh, naganya balik. Good opportunity kalau misalnya ada ngelawan si naga. Dua kali ya? Harus 2 kali kah? Enggak, itunya udah mati. Oh, anjir tuh kan. Dia nggak guide kita untuk ininya. Aish. Tacit Discordnya keluar. Udah.
The high levels of corrupted remnant energy, Mister. I can help with that.
Kira kebuka. Tuh kayak nggak nge-guide gitu, kayak you should do this and do that first gitu loh. Oh no. Oh enggak, tapi nanya aman.
Don't worry, they're just reverberations. Potential tacit discords in the making.
Roxia.
Some of them are actually our friends. We can follow them to find our way out.
Ya, FPS wise kita nggak dapet the whole 60 experience sih. Cutscene 40, 30 ya oke lah gitu, tapi kayak dang. Ya jadi inilah progress story-nya masih di sini. Rinashita kita gue nggak ingat lagi regionnya apa namanya. Naga segede gaban. Matanya tuh ngeblur, nggak terfokus.
Did it lead us this way because it sensed the dragon? Possibly. Phantoms are sensitive to frequencies, so now the game isn't. I think we'll be out of the mist.
Sebenarnya secara VA voice actor gue lebih suka yang Jepang sih, lebih ada ini. I mean kayak Zani itu Italiannya terlalu kental to some extent, kayak wah why gitu. Oke, coba ikutin ini. Ini aja my most recent character aja cuman Changli aja. Kayaknya head, please be careful. Really? Kayaknya head? Sounds like something for me. Oh, what's that? Tacit Discord? Dan secara monster, Wuwa tuh sedikit lebih serem dibandingkan Genshin ya. Nggak. Lebih dark gitu loh. Experience-nya. Walaupun the characters are all so colorful.
I'll always find you. Why? Isn't it? I know, but as my. Excuse me. Are you? You're not alone anymore. Yes. Fly to the high heavens. Your golden phantoms are reverberations.
Tuh banyak banget bahasannya sama mayat gitu.
Usually, they merge into the same cook, but sometimes they're lingering. If the mist clear, their final frequencies tend to come. Otherwise, the dragon. The mist is thinning.
Ini kayaknya ada battle lah sih harus ini. Areanya luas banget. Seems almost impossible buat tidak ada big battle di sini.
Pilgrims say. In Laguna, those who break the law are sent to the orbit set. Now the fool. There's a strong undercurrent around this isle. No reverberations on the people must have escaped. This way. as I hear the sounds of fighting.
Looks like our brief intermission is over. Time to let the ghosts have their moment on stage. Come on then, let the flames of battle ignite our souls.
40 FPS.
Is that Brand? Only Brand would call them ghosts with that kind of flair. It must be him.
Iya, the
But I
brand.
can't tell where he.
Show's over, ghosts. Time.
Watch your back.
A marvelous shot. You've earned your stripes, first mate.
You're welcome. But if you tilted your
Not on your watch. And we've crossed paths with the
you
road.
shouldn't have let her get you as worried about us.
Is that so? And our gratitude to you is even greater for your...
Kadang tuh rovernya tuh ngomong, kadang enggak.
I was patrolling the coast earlier when I saw their ship drifting into the mist. Time was thank. Don't be afraid. I worked hard all my when pirates ransacked my merchant
kayak
fleet, leaving me with nothing.
Aksennya
I turned to you
harsh
for
gitu.
Face I stand before the sentient statue. Why should I wait for peace in the afterlife? As for salvation, here's a proposal. We are wanderers of the truth.
Yes,
Fools, maybe look around.
yes.
Otherwise, wait.
Only the
Captain! First mate! We're here to help!
Oh,
hands
ada
make
krunya.
light work.
The first, but beware, my friend. By the end of this pilgrimage, please.
Don't worry. This wing ray can fly us up the mountain. You two go first.
All right then.
Sebenarnya ini keren sih konsep wing ray-nya ini. Jadi kita bisa dibawa terbang sama dia buat naik ke atas gunung gitu, terus kayak wow, vast and convenient. Genshin would never. Ya itulah momen-momen aneh ketika Genshin tuh kalah dengan game developer senegaranya gitu. Oh, there's dragon here. Gonna fight the dragon soon. Oh wow. But at least there's a
Messages incoming. Stay alert.
Yeah. Wait, before all the tacit discord and everything, I need to defeat this first. Bayangin ada yang mau nyerang gitu di belakang, and then casually just tossing in your item apa ya ininya nih, aduh lupa lagi namanya, ya itunya tuh, terus buat unlock region, unlock map gitu. Tacit discord be like, gitu. Bukan. Oh, there's the dragon. Ish. How do I get back up there? Skip aja dulu biar cepet.
Looks like they're heading to the arena.
This is the only way up. Be gone, you vexing wretches! The sacrificial arena's right there. Let's take them down in one blow.
Panjang anjir jalannya. Kering sampai atas. Kita akan melawan naga. Semoga tidak lama. Tapi lumayan sih, jadi ada scene yang lebih natural ya, kayak gameplaynya kita pakai main gitu, instead of just the usual rambling dan everything itu loh, yang kayak apa, coba keliling-keliling gak jelas, terus battle mob biasa.
Please have mercy on me. Is this some kind of test for?
That's so British, aren't they? Lots of them are speaking English, like Polish, just English. Aksennya tuh lucu gitu kan, kayak the usual American accent is like normal English that we hear, like Bran right here. Tapi kayak
We've never done anything that warrants paying with our lives.
there we go, there's the dragon. Let's fight the dragon.
I'd wager mercy isn't on the table.
Slay the dragon. What? Ada Tacet Discord juga.
Stage is set for our grandest act.
Bran, you handle the tacit discords.
Of course, but with all due respect,
Just playing to our strengths. Take it, or I'll spill the beans about you.
well, aye, first mate.
Rosia lebih powerful daripada Bran. Really? Wow, that's
Time to pay for what you've
weird.
done, dragon of dirt.
Tapi lucu Rosianya.
Guests of the unkind.
Keep fast. Yeah? I'll warm up the crowd. Mamma mia! Fruit of evolution. Life is in everything.
20 FPS.
Struggle harder. Entertain me. Let's have fun.
Beckon the divine flame.
35 FPS, 30. Ya masih 20 above sih sebenarnya.
Reborn from ancient roots. Let's have fun. Chaos. It's me. Fruit of evolution. Mamma mia. Amati. Figurati.
Memang Italian sih ya sebenarnya. Oh udah. Wow nice. Graphic wise, kalau ini kita persempit, sebenarnya kita bisa persempit sekarang. 30 above kadang dapat sih sebenarnya. Abby itu Paimon yang versi lebih lucu dan lebih
Seriously? You think that little lizard could take me down? But seriously, that was cool. As soon as I realized it was a tacit discord, I went for it. I swear, I chewed it up. It was hard to swallow. You said use trust me. This
Gehenna. O wretched, you are reborn to fulfill our sacred rite. Become the fire, cleanse every those who cannot withstand.
keren sih konsep naganya.
see, I wasn't lying. Tacit discord, their only way to maintain the dark tide and mist, and if what you saw, the order must have used some. That means
In time, I found this. It seems the Fraxidus had their hand in this case as well. So you know them too. Our troop, at first, they were just lurking. Remember Cetus the Tidebreaker? The creep. After we parted ways, we went searching. This is what we found. Alas, the Tidebreakers.
we saw what they did to the dragon. The Cetus's violent outburst must be their. They say their carnival is.
At first, our troop has. Oh, remember I mentioned one of he wasn't with us when we. It won't be long now.
Okay, so it's all good now. Meet up with the troop. Okay, just so I can understand, you need to complete what you say with today. Oh, mesti selesaiin questnya dulu. Ding. Okay, let me just finish this quest then, biar lebih proper. Bisa send off ke tesnya juga, bisa lawan si dragon juga. Oh, ada starter audionya. Yang gue suka tuh kalau dari Uwai ya, misalkan kita dash, kita hold, itu nggak actually makan stamina. Minimal di Genshin itu makan stamina. Yang tapi lebih realistisnya sebenarnya realistis Genshin. Karena stamina kita emang kemakan kan kalau kita lari. Kalau nggak lari, kalau nggak kemakan, larinya unlimited. Nah itu yang jadi bedanya sih
Here we
sebenarnya.
are, ladies and gentlemen. Allow me to present. They say the most dangerous places are
The mist does
precisely why we must tackle it. By the way, if you'd like to speak with Mr. Buck, feel free to talk.
make it fast.
Oh ada ituan juga apa? Teleporter. Yang kita activate dulu deh. Biar nggak jauh. Oh, that's the turtle stuff.
Make it fast.
Nah, si Shoot member Bordelino. Wah, udah mulai starter. Starternya lumayan tadi tuh. Pas lagi agak rame ini nih. Ya, dengan kesimpulan ini sih kemungkinan highest 60-nya will not be as nice.
Listen, I might be an of you in the flesh. As I and but
Kita
why?
ini dulu deh.
But that so the order's gripped. One then midway.
They struggle to clean up the flowers.
But anybody isn't our fate.
Life is short. Death is what.
They want members one day.
Wah, udah hampir 30 menit buat jalanin satu quest doang. No, I need this to be finished soon. Kebanyakan cutscene sih. Oh wow, he can fly. Bardolino use fly. Bardolino.
What say you, Brand? Do you like this stage design? It could... our little chat. Now that you mention it. Please don't mind him. We like our performances big.
That fight with the dragon probably messed with the mountain's stability. If Bardolino keeps moving around up there, it could... We might need your help with this. Hera should have some useful items in her box.
What? Oh, masih
We've
movement.
got a cloudcaster that can conjure, but some of its parts have been bought.
Really? The quest going on this long? Ugh. Why do you have to be this long, the quest again?
Come on, fish. Come to my net. Yeah, we scavenge.
Really? I've got to search here and there.
Make it fast.
Sailors cheer. That's hard sitting but out. Here it is.
Okay. One more.
I could rather be a wild cloud cast here.
Cloudcaster.
It helps me find the right pitch and rhythm. Works like a charm.
You should give it a try too. Good grief.
We have all the parts now.
Good grief. All of them are British. Oke, mungkin abis ini gue akan langsung quick aja tes lawan dragonnya if it's okay. Dan untuk low ini kita dapat temperatur yang masih lumayan safe di 34,8 setengah atau 35 lah. Dan di atasnya actually 36 doang. Jadi not too hot dan quite enjoyable sih buat dimainin.
The cloud cat.
Kayak masih cukup enjoyable lah buat dimainin gitu loh. Graphic wise oke, juga performance-nya oke. Shoot the balloons? Really? You want me to shoot the balloons? I thought you want me to fly up there. Damn. Comfort droid.
Bullseye! Almost done!
Really? Oh wow, why? Coba mungkin pas lagi gini-gini yang lama nih. Dan kita udah main sekitar 30 menit buat ngerjain questnya doang yang panjang.
Dear God, help me complete this performance and fulfill one of my.
Oh, something shaking. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, God. That was close. Oh, yeah, she's back. Carlotta is back. Man, I really like Carlotta. Carlotta.
Oh my, oh my.
Carlotta is back. Di story dia sempat ngilang kan, lama ada order.
The family's protection extends.
Sayang Carlotta udah gak bisa digacha. Sana, kita tunggu. Gue juga suka gameplaynya si Carlotta sih. That's really good.
Is everything going smoothly with your friend? Yes, thank you. Still owe you thanks. You've got to show kindness is much appreciated.
Montel, don't forget it anytime.
Tan, I'll
Share
share
everything I
everything. I
know.
believe you've noticed that the Order had no alliance with the Carnival. Legend has it. At that time, the entire city was shrouded in mist. The mist remaining cloud. We are lucky.
Oh, ada
that you
starter
were
dikit
some.
20.
At that time, the entire city was
The Montelli traders used Lycoris in experiments.
Ghost?
with your help. At that time, the entire city.
The Order has
After the
But without the liquor.
At that time, the entire
the Order and Fraxidus are allies.
the Prime is called.
The order.
It is. Let's consider the implication. The current Prime, the Carnival, is successor sabotage. The Fraxidus. So far, you've helped us crush. We have evidence. From what I'm winning the laurel, I might give you the chance to talk.
Our aim and the divine, we win the law. Whether divinity.
The Montana, however. Truth alone. Thank you.
Okay, hopefully that ends the quest. Hopefully. Soalnya gue lupa ya, bisa gue ganti grafiknya tadi in mid
What should
game.
we do? It's the Order. You've seen the truth.
Oh, no, it's not.
Me? We don't know what if you.
Wonderful.
I kind of forgot that I can actually change the graphic now. Oke, kita akan naikin grafiknya ke high dan 60 fps. We'll see apakah akan. Wow. It's okay. I mean, it's under than what I need. Ngedrop sih. Tapi kayak masih 20s enggak.
Are rather straightforward. Built for our improvised.
But pardon my interruption. Well, so we drafted.
And this time, our outline is a kingdom is attacked. This outline holds.
Saya secara karakter ya Wuwa tuh mirip sama apa ya HSR sih, lebih kayak HSR instead of Genshin, tapi playstyle Genshin.
To help you get familiar with basic stage.
Exactly.
If you're ready.
Oh, that's nice. Masih belum selesai. quest panjang ini. Oh ya, mungkin nih instead of lancar nggak sih yang kayak biasa ya di WoW karena experience story-nya juga panjang. Mungkin bisa ngasih lihat juga performance-nya kayak gimana overall performance-nya. Hopefully it could help you guys menentukan apakah it's actually good or not. Karena pakai playstyle bener-bener play gameplay, bukan cuman inian.
Undaunted by the lack of a divine vessel,
Fuh.
she embarked on a perilous alone in the dark. A young girl of untethered spirit soared against towering barriers. The winds of fate brought them together.
Pasti banget anjir. Tapi I ship them. Oh god, I ship Rover with Shorekeeper. Kemudian dengan si siapa? Hah?
Together they became unshakable allies, standing strong against the tides of fate.
What's with that? Meow. A dance? Damn.
Even if light were to fade from the world and the stars cease to shine, they would still blaze like the sun forever.
Dang. That case, bro. Wow. Yeah, this is my new ship. This is my new ship. Lupakan Shorekeeper. Let's give some love for Carlotta. Dang. Bener-bener ini banget.
Bravo! The thrill of
Your movements were thank you.
you'll master it in no time. And
You mean the don't worry.
oh, so it's handled then.
I have a small gift for you.
Baterainya sekarang 92, kita udah main 32. 4 menit per 1%, 3 menit ya, normal sih, standar banget. Oke, it's done. It's done, I guess. The quest is done. Oh, belum.
Please follow me.
Please follow me.
Where are we going?
It's like French.
Please allow me to keep that a secret for now. I
Cepet
wouldn't
amat
want to
jalan.
spoil the surprise.
Nah, ini highest-nya sekarang di
Easy.
kotaknya cuman
Been there before.
belasan. FPS-nya belasan. Tadi dia overall-nya lebih.
Oh, dear Lady Carlotta.
You have completed my
Of course, Lady Car.
a small token of my appreciation. Wow, really? I get
Ah, so that's why Lady Carlotta was showing for a moment. I thought she'd lost faith in my skills and was plotting to. I see why the.
Carla, you do have a flair for dramatics.
Oh, the
I
mask.
took the liberty of having Yannick. The Montelli family shared its wealth. The carnival is a
Langsung smooth banget ya karena grafiknya highest ya.
lagoon. The tempest's jewel. The sapphire that crowns Solaris.
Lama sekarang jalannya. Tadi cepet banget, sekarang lambat.
Reflecting countless faces of the city. Much like our own reflections.
Ini emang nggak di pairing sama rover yang cowok sih, ini banget ya.
My family has always been drawn to the thrill of a new voyage. One stormy night, fate There exists only one relatively. My family has always been drawn to the thrill of a new voyage. One stormy night, fate decided. Exactly. When we heard the Black Shawls were hunting for a living, my family has always been drawn
Oh,
to
cuma
the
satu
thrill of a
kalimat
new
doang.
voyage.
Satu kalimat, satu paragraf.
Our intentions might not be as grandiose or legend has it that when people prevailing belief is that the Sentinel gifted us this technology. And despite nobody ever seeing the Sentinel conjure up there, if the genital
Oh ya, terminal tadi nama alat itu terminal.
seems to me the order might have spun us a tale. No. The hour grows late. I've arranged accommodations for you at Palazzo Grotto. Think of it as a bed
Oh, dikasih kamar buat tidur. Sounds wrong.
once. The blessed, perhaps, swaying on her feet. She ascended the ceremonies, seizing the sacred horn. She played a carefree folk tune.
Ini last tinggal lawan dragonnya doang nih. Oh ya, mungkin sambil itu kita akan nyalain coolernya
Unforgettable day of disordered revelry
biar tidak
and lasting life.
kepanasan dari nol banget.
Is it not remarkable? A rebellious girl, chosen by the Sentinel. If the Sentinel had stated.
Sekarang sih mulai panas sih belakangnya. Mulai berasa panas nih. 4,6 di depan, di atas 36,3. Wah, black screen. Kepanasan kah dia? 36,5. Di tengah 35,1. Sebenarnya kayak nggak berasa terlalu panas, tapi kok uncomfortable aja sih. Berasa angetnya gitu. Dan ini di ruangan ber-AC, jadi kayak anget gitu.
People of this island came from in the past to maintain it. This play has endured for so long. Now, we yearn for yes. While the oldest people revere, the legends become speaking. This year's carnival will spark a flame fierce enough to burn down.
Typical European plot banget ya, European story plot.
Rest well. Good night. May you
Kayak Carlota. Delicioso sekali Carlota. Now I need to check into the hotel. Concierge-nya di depan. Berdiri doang nih.
Welcome. Lady Carlotta already notified us of your understood.
Yeah, but start, your progress will be interrupted and safety issue listed. When you're doing your turns. Can I?
Welcome. Lady Carlotta already notified us.
Oh wait, I pushed something that I should. Dang. Kok dia aneh ya? Long quest line inside long quest line. Hah.
wow,
Cek, pakai topengnya gitu buat kayak Abby. This is getting way too hot dan too long. Octopus. Dan yang hebatnya echo-nya di sini benar-benar diintegrate banget sih di Rinasita kayaknya namanya, nama regionnya. Jadi incorporate banget, jadi nggak boring seperti waktu region pertama gitu. Phoebe. Sunny.
can't wait to explore.
Oh, let's go.
Oke, ini kan masih udah ya yang tadi questnya. Jadi kita udah mulai quest. Enggak, ternyata tidak. Map function is temporary available. Oh well, oke, kayaknya itu nggak masuk akal buat kita perpanjangin lagi. Kita akan pakai cooler aja buat jalanin quest story-nya. Karena kalau nggak bakal lama banget videonya, dan gua nggak expect quest line itu sepanjang ini. Itu minusnya WUA sih, quest line ini dia panjang banget dan uninterruptible buat. Ini sekarang temperature 35,3. Tadi coolernya udah sempet ke 8 derajat, habis kita pasang sekarang dia 10. Jadi otomatis pasti ada kenaikan. apa lagunya, Aloha oi aloha, tentang ada Stitch bentar lagi kali ya. Oke, temperatur atas turun jadi 35, udah nggak, bahkan sekarang 33, nggak 35, dan kita miringin dikit, kita dapat 34an. Turun drastis, turun. Tapi performance-nya bagaimana setelah kita pakai cooler? Sepertinya masih flat, 20-an aja, nggak too much difference. Ya mungkin sih experience-nya akan jauh lebih baik kalau kalian main di low 60 sih, instead of high 60.
Sorry, we're swamped with orders. Becky and I are doing our best.
Lucu banget, dan di NPC.
Becky seems to be
No need to worry. Ah, I see. Making Joe? Good morning, my friend.
Dengan aksennya.
I'd love to. I mean, look. See this
Look.
mask?
Oh, ini kayak itu loh. Iya bener, kalau inget di Mr. Bean yang
However,
gurunya yang
it's
cewek
Mr.
itu yang buat
Bean
lukis.
that keeping things
You
running
must
smoothly
look.
is a top priority.
Ya repot.
Lady Carlotta has already
Dan Zaninya pakai topeng lucu banget. Oh my god. Zani is waifu. Oke, Chibi. Chibi itu juga ngingetin gue sama
Seamoss from the Pioneer Association. Something seems off. Seamoss has been so busy taking photos for
Oh,
everyone
that's
else that
Seamoss.
he hasn't had the chance to take any
Damn,
himself.
that's unique.
You want a picture with me? But oh, hello. Well, thank you.
Aloha oi, aloha oi. Even the Echoes love Phoebe so much ya. Wow. Ada berkata.
Ah, Rover and Lady Phoebe. Buddy, you look.
It's all thanks to Rover. Just like us, Seamoss wants to savor every moment of the carnival.
Oh wow,
And lead Sentinel
floating
cherishes
widownya
their
akhirnya mati
people.
karena
And
udah
as followers,
kepanasan.
we pray to Rover
Atau nggak RAM-nya udah nggak kuat
so
tadi tuh,
everyone's
udah
happy.
nge-hang banget.
But
Jadi sekarang kita berada di sekitar
enjoy
masih
the order during the carnival.
20-an
I'm
FPS.
sorry, I can't join in the festivities.
Iya masih 20-an FPS sih tetap.
I wish you a wonderful time.
Carnival. Ya mungkin akan gue stop dulu aja di sana. Performance di city-nya pas dipasangin cooler tetap nggak jauh improve sih, dan kita nggak bisa akses map, so we cannot actually battle anyone lagi. Did I push something? Oh iya, they are playing something here. Oh ya, inilah kurang lebih performanya Infinix Note 50 Pro buat main Wuthering Waves. Experience-nya quite alright. Baik lagi untuk harganya, mengingatkan ini hanya smartphone 3 jutaan, main WUWA cukup oke aja buat kalau kalian mau jalanin quest, buat ngelanjutin story, buat just to know with updated-nya WUWA. It's okay, tapi mainnya ya di low 60 aja, dan mungkin kalian pakai cooler juga akan membuat experience-nya lebih oke daripada maksain buat high 60 dan kayak begini. To be honest, experience-nya oke aja, tapi kayak under dari 30 don't think so sih. Mending kalian naikin di low 30, low 60 gitu kan, bisa dapet FPS above 30. Jadi experience mainnya pun juga lebih oke daripada daripada mana Carlotta? Loh, mana? Daripada maksain. So ya, kurang lebih itu aja, dan hopefully quest-nya akan segera berakhir. Mungkin gue akan pakai video ini jadinya buat main full satu quest ini gitu kan. Jadi kalian bisa lihat kalau di gameplay bener-bener quest running gimana, story running. Karena kalau cuma buat grind doang pasti masih cukup oke lah. Kita bisa jalanin story itu lebih oke lagi. Nah,
The family is prepared. We must remain vigilant. It's nearly time. How do you feel? Ready to step into the spotlight? Excellent.
Temperatur belakangnya 12 ya si coolernya. Oh,
Time has come.
oh my god. Ini pre-render sih tapi pasti.
Let's celebrate together.
Tidak mungkin tidak di pre-render soalnya FPS-nya langsung naik banget. Cutscene ini cakep banget. Oh wow.
When freedom is unchecked, the insidious evil of division takes root. People of the Seven, do not lose yourselves in these fleeting pleasures. Remember
Sunday.
what unites us.
Kayak Sunday. Ini remind me of Sunday tapi lebih tua.
What is that?
Friends, why lead a life of restraints?
The troop.
Why not live like there's no tomorrow?
Sunday.
High walls fall fast. All you free spirits, join us to set sail again.
Ah, dia muncul lagi. Penyebab kekacauan di bawah.
That woman, she's with the Fraxis.
Ya, Fraxidus.
I need to follow her and find out what she's planning.
Masih gila long quest banget, bener-bener long quest, bener-bener quest aja belum selesai.
Right this way.
First person? Wow. Wah, bener-bener outdate themselves sih. Gue selalu mengira WoW tuh boring loh pas masih di version 1. Boring tuh dalam artian ya story gitu lagi. Tapi kayak eksplorasinya dia lebih berani.
Where is she trying to lead me?
Spider Lily. Licorice sih, dia pakai licorice beneran dong. Licorice recoil kan Spider Lily recoil.
Ah, we've arrived. Such a small world, isn't it? Oh, don't fret. I've been about decadence, indulgence. No need to worry. Now that you know what makes the Sentinel so unique, how about I share a little story with you? Now,
Atau masih cutscene.
patience is a verb simply spreading joy in us.
Dia mau kita join them. Dia pengen kita jadi Fraxidus. What?
The stage is set, and the curtain
Oh no,
rises.
the echoes.
Actors, the moment to dazzle has arrived.
What? Why are they laughing? Is it scary or is it
Magic
supposed to
is
be?
ready to unfold.
Wow. transisi dari cutscene ke ininya sih lama sih ya. Cukup lama nih transisi cutscene ke sininya nih.
As anticipated,
Now, remember the rehearsal we did yesterday?
she intends to use those Lycoruses to summon and control the Tacit Discords.
Everyone is in position. We'll manage the West Plaza. DD is stationed at the East Plaza, keeping an eye on things. The main stage is all yours for the grand performance.
I'll take care of the lighting and create the mood.
Leave that. Ready? The spotlight will be on you two.
Wow.
Curtain has been lifted. We can't keep our audience waiting.
Then,
Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a warm round of applause as our actors now take the stage.
Nggak battle dulu kah?
An unending darkness cloaks the kingdom as monstrous beasts ravage
Oh ya bisa battle sih. Oke lah.
The holy maiden has been captured by the demon king, and chaos descends. But lo, Juve
Terlalu cepat trialnya. Kasian, I thought Echoes were their friends. But I found something very interesting about Carlotta.
the heroes breach the first barrier. Now, they advance toward the Demon King's castle, where peril awaits at every corner. What trials lie ahead? No wall can deter these free spirits. Even the stars seem to
Oke,
cheer on
mungkin sebelum ini kepanjangan dan tidak ada habisnya, gue akan cut dulu di sini dan menyimpulkan dulu lah experience-nya si Infinix Note 50 Pro 4G main Wuthering Waves. So far kita dapat ini the highest ya, jadi kita udah pakai cooler segala macam, temperaturnya udah drop sekarang cuman 33 di atas, 30 di tengah. Jadi cooler is always recommended kalau misalnya kalian mau main game kayak Genshin, kayak WoW, itu recommend banget untuk kalian punya cooler. Tapi untuk settingan sendiri, si Infinix Note 50 Pro ini bisa dibilang cukup oke untuk low 60 aja. Jangan sampai jangan sampai high 60. Karena performance yang diberikannya lebih at its peak di low 60-nya dibandingkan high 60-nya. Kalau misalnya kalian mau pakai ke high 60, sure, memang kita dapat grafik yang lebih bagus. Tapi experience-nya tidak se-smooth itu, dan kalau kalian nggak punya cooler, kalian nggak invest in a cooler, itu bakalan jadi problem juga untuk performance si Note 50 Pro-nya. I mean longevity-nya, jadi kesian prosesornya segala macam lebih panas dan lebih nggak nyaman lah untuk long term-nya. Tapi kan kalian memang dapat casing yang kayak gini nih, ini yang MagSafe. Kalian juga bisa invest ke cooler yang nggak cuma kayak gitu, tapi cooler yang magnet juga. Dan setahu gue cooler magnet itu jauh lebih affordable daripada ini, tapi itu untuk versi Black Shark-nya. Kalau versi yang lain harusnya kalian bisa dapat cooler yang cukup oke lah di harga 100 ribuan, 200 ribuan. Still, it's a good investment buat invest ke cooler lah, biar kalian bisa main lebih nyaman juga. Kadang gue suka bingung sih di video kayak gini, gue kesannya kayak lebih mempromosikan cooler, but no, to be honest, kayak game apapun, kalau kalian main dengan cooler tuh jauh lebih better. So ya, sekian dulu untuk video kali ini. Kalau kalian suka videonya, jangan lupa untuk kasih like, share, dan tentunya belum subscribe, bisa langsung klik tombol subscribe dan aktifkan lonceng notifikasi biar kalian gak ketinggalan sama video gue berikutnya. Yang punya pertanyaan juga jangan ragu-ragu untuk drop pertanyaan kalian di kolom komentar di bawah Gabutachi. Jangan lupa juga untuk follow sosial media kita di TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, dan juga Facebook. Dan handle-nya @buteknoid dan gue pribadi di @fsp+, ataupun di media partner kita di @wirepop.id. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a nice day. Ferry dan Infinix Note 50 Pro dan Wuthering Waves signing out. Bye-bye. Ya jadi kesimpulannya gitulah. Kelewat ya, gue gak kasih kesimpulan apa? Udah sih harusnya.